I'm gonna call it Clean Your Fridge Pasta. Hello my dear friends, it's Oksana and welcome to my vintage kitchen. What we're gonna do now? Pasta. I call this pasta safe wherever you have in your fridge because you can cook it with any vegetable you want. I found red pepper, I found one zucchini which doesn't look too healthy anymore, some cherry tomatoes, I grow them myself. I have some beans, you can use green onion, I'm gonna use chives, I found some green peas, frozen ones, so I technically clean up my fridge. You can use any vegetables, you can use asparagus, you can use green onions, wherever you wish, wherever you have in your fridge, you can use in this pasta. Let's start.
Let's start by boiling water in a big pot and cook our pasta al dente. Follow time on your pasta package. Then wash, dry and chop your vegetables. Cut your cherry tomatoes in half. If you're using big tomatoes, you can chop them as well. Preheat oil in a large skillet. Cook sweet pepper and green onions for 3-4 minutes until tender. Add your beans. Cook for another minute or two. Add some wine. Everything tastes better with the wine. Cook for another minute. Add your cherry tomatoes. Add your herbs and cook for another 2 minutes until tender, stirring frequently. In a medium saucepan or little skillet, melt butter over medium heat. Stir in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook and stir 2 minutes. Add 2 cups low-fat milk. I use the regular milk. Cook and stir until thickened and bubbly. Cook and stir 1 minute more. Remove from heat. Stir grated Parmesan or Asiago cheese. Now it's time to drain our pasta and mix all ingredients together in an oven-safe baking dish.
Okay, my dear friends, our sauce is ready, our vegetables is ready, our pasta is boiling. We cook our pasta al dente. Follow the instruction on your pasta package. You drain your pasta, you add sauce, you add your vegetables, you transfer it to the oven-safe dish and you bake it for about 20 minutes and our beautiful dinner is ready.
Garnish your pasta with Parmesan cheese and enjoy your beautiful dinner.
If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, press this bell, press this thumbs up so you don't miss anything in the future, and enjoy!